Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into Dr. Anastasia Vela's fascinating research on athletic recovery.
Ever wonder why intense cardio actually rusts your cells? It causes hidden microscopic damage.
Okay, let's dive into this. We'll use the brilliant greenhouse shield analogy to break it down.
Think of mitochondria as plants. Training is the vital sun, but free radicals, they're destructive hail. This cellular hail is actually exercise-induced oxidative stress. It's literally rusting your cells from the inside out.
The ultimate solution? VILAVI SibXP Complex, found right inside their highly concentrated T8 extra formula.
Now, what's really interesting here is the secret lies in two active heroes, maltol and phenolic acids.
Together, they create a super powerful protective mesh, neutralizing that oxidative rest before damage even happens.
And this brilliantly illustrates how the mesh preserves mitochondrial health. Your cells stay totally primed for training. To get this protection, the dosage is strict but incredibly simple. It's exactly 1 milliliter.
So the crucial point is the routine. Dissolve 1 milliliter in room temperature water twice daily.
The choice is yours. Will you let your cells rust, or will you build your shield?